Hello guys, this is Ghulam Mustafa, and in this video we are going to create our first Java program. In this Java program we will print hello world as well as we will use some arithmetic operators. We will discuss them later. Let's begin with the code. So here we are with Eclipse IDE. We will download. I have given the link in the description. Okay, you have to just follow the file, go to the file and click on the new, and you have to create a first Java project. This project means you are going to just folder. You're creating a folder whose name is just I am giving the name like Java course. We will create all the files in this folder, or you may call it Java project. Okay, we are going to create them next. As these all the things are selected here, you have to select all of these things, and you don't have to select the create model. You have to uncheck it. Okay, we are going to next part. Okay, here we have a folder naming Java course, and we are going to right click it and go new, and here you will found a class. Okay, naming model class, and you have to name here the class name like we are creating hello world program, so you have to name it hello world. This means you are creating something for program which consists of hello world, the content which is hello world. So here you have to click the public, and next is you have to create in this class a public static void main function. This is called main method, you may call it function. Okay, so go to next, and when you finish it you will found a file here. This is name hello world, which you have already given in the previous process. Okay, you will find here public class, and you have a class which is naming hello world. Okay, and here you have a main method. We will discuss all of these uh, modules like public static and all the keywords later on. Now we have to just print it hello world. Okay, we are going system dot out dot println. You just have to type this statement. And now what I have to print out, I will mention it in the double quotation, like I have to print it hello and world. Okay, here I have given like the see, here you have given system means a class, and you will found here S is capital, and every class starts with capital letter. Here S is starting with capital letter, here hello is starting with capital H. Okay, and the next part after the dot is your property. We will later on discuss it. It's out. You have to mention all of these as given. You don't have to write it like S small and P is capital. No, these all are the mentioned and reserved words, which we called them as keywords. Okay, you just have to mention your desired text here in the double quotation. If you want to print hello world, you have to write it hello world, or something else you want to print it out. Okay, we have to run it, and we will later discuss the processes like compiling and running in the when we will create our text or program in the Node++. We are now using IDE, which is automatically directly compile and the run the code. Here I have run, and whatever I mentioned here in the double quotations I got in the output. Okay, this is called print or output. You may call it output. Okay, if I want to print out is my name, so I will mention here gm Baloch, which is my name. And okay, we have to run it again. Here you will found a button, and you will click it, you will run the your code. Here I run, and I got the output, which is gm Baloch. Okay, Can you print is the your name and father name and address, etc. I will mention the task you have to do. I will mention in the description. Okay. Next, our task is to arithmetic operators. We are going to discuss arithmetic operators. Like here we have five arithmetic operators like plus, minus, addition. This is called addition, subtraction, and this is called multiplication. You will multiplication sign denoted by the asterisk, and the division is slash, and the remainder is modulus, which is percentage sign. Okay, we are going to use these all fives in our program. Okay, we have already here hello world, and we are going to create, we can create new program, or we can use all the arithmetic here, but I am make it easy and creating again a file which is class. You have to create class. Project is higher than the class, and all the classes will be mentioned in the project. Okay, I am mentioning again a class naming. I have to code it in this program. Like I will use the arithmetic operator, so I will give it name with the context which will I mention in the program. So I am naming it arithmetic operators, and you don't have to make it a space in between arithmetic and operator, because this is the single name, arithmetic and operator. And we, if there are different words, like arithmetic is different and operator is different, I mentioned these two words in combine, and I have used here O is capital, which is mentioning that there are two words, arithmetic and operator. You can understand it later, and you have to mention the public static void main, because all the execution of the program will be started by the JVM from the main method. Okay, we have to finish it. Okay, here we find our code, which is our class is public, and class is also keyword public class, and whatever we mentioned our class name, here we got arithmetic operator, and we used check out the uh, main method. So we got here main method public static void main, and we have here argument like array. Okay, we will later discuss on, ignore them just. Okay, now we are going to use arithmetic operators. Like these arithmetic operators are used to perform the mathematical operators or functions. Like we have to mention here, like 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6? If we run it, we will get here 6 plus 6 is 2. So that means here we used plus operator, which is performing the addition function. Okay, let's see another thing. We have another arithmetic operator, which is subtraction. We will mention here, like we have 6 minus 6. If we are using minus operator, then the output will be like this. Okay, 6 minus 6 is 0. The first output is about 6 plus 6, which is we used the operator addition, and we got the toilet. And second is we used subtraction symbol, so we got the 6 minus 6 is 0. And we as like this, you can use the asterisk for the multiplication pentagon, and we have to use arithmetic operator, which is asterisk and 6. Asterisk 6 means 6 multiplied by 6, and you may use the slash for the division. Slash is used for the division in the all the programming languages mostly. So 6 divided by 6. And last operator we have for remainder functionality, which is a modulus operator, or you may call it a percentage operator, which is like 6 modulus 6 means if you are dividing 6 by 6, what will you get in the remainder? You will get in the remainder 0. Okay, here you compile it, and you will find that, okay, you will find that 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, which is 12, and 6 minus 6, which is 0, and 6 multiplied by 6, which is 36, and 6 divided by which is 1, and you will, if you will do it manually, like 6 remainder 6, and what will be remainder, which is 0. You have to divide it 6 divide by, like this. If you are dividing 6 divided by 6, which is 1, actually 1, but if you find 6 remainder 6, means you are dividing 6 divided by 6. You are dividing 6 with the 6, and you will find what will the quotient is 1, but what will the remainder is 0. So here you are finding that 6 modulus 6 is 0. These were the topics we have discussed. We have last time discussed and made that class hello world, and this time is like we used the arithmetic operators. I will mention all the programs you have to make and tasks you have to make. I will mention in the description. Thank you so much.